Hello guys, welcome to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm gonna show you how to scan documents on your phone or Huawei. So let's start, guys. So at first, to scan documents you need to find and open application Google Drive on your phone. So then at the right corner click here, new, and then click scan right here, guys. So click allow, and then for example, let's imagine that I have document right here, for example it's our document, so just put phone on it and click here to scan the document. So now it's scanned, so wait a couple of seconds. So now here we have our document, here we have a lot of different options. For example, we can just crop our document right here, change different filter for our document and click apply if you're satisfied with the result. And for example, retake or delete photo. So if you're satisfied with the result of your document, just click done right here and click save in PDF, save. And now it's all, guys. So if you like this video and if you like our channel, please subscribe and see you later, guys. Bye bye.